Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited to do my first Valentine's tutorial with my model Alexia. As you guys know, we have always worked in so many videos, and today I am extremely excited to bring you how to do your makeup for this Valentine's. Either you're single, either you're not, whatever, you just have to look beautiful, and here it goes. We have the skin moisturize, which is one of the most important things to do before your makeup application. We're gonna go now and jump into the eyes, and we're gonna give her a smoky eyes and put some lashes on her. Can't wait to do this. So we're gonna start with brush number 3 from Tom Ford. That is a concealer, and also could be concealer, highlighter, and we're gonna use it for doing the eyes primer. So look down. Apply this primer really nice and even all over the eyelid. And now we're gonna go ahead and start working with this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Tom Ford called Pretty Lady. It's one of the newest palettes. I'm super excited because this palette like flies off the shelves all the time. So we're gonna go ahead and start with brush number 13. And we're gonna go ahead and start with the mauve color. Down. Start at the outer corner, going in to the eye. Next thing I'm gonna do is apply the top right shadow from the palette with number 11 brush in the inner of the eye. With brush number 14, you're going to go ahead and do the lightest color in the inner corner of the eye. Open the eye. You kind of want to open the eye and blend that in really, really well. Now we're going to go ahead and apply the liner. And with brush number 12, you're going to do the darkest color on the palette. And start from the outer corner going in and concentrating in the lash line. And then deposit as much as you can going upwards gradually. So now we're going to do the eyebrow, and this is how you're going to do this. Is a quick rundown. This is the first point from the tip of the nose going upwards. That's where your brow should start, and then when you go across the iris is the middle ball of your eye. That's where your brow should angle, and then from the tip of the nose to the end of the eye is where your eyebrow should end. So these are your 3 points right here. Now add them together. So now if you want to go a little bit more precise around the brow, this was like a last minute video as well with my model. So if you run into like a situation like this where there's a little bit of like hair sticking out, it's okay. Go ahead and use your concealer with a small brush that you like. I like to use the concealer brush by Tom Ford in number 3, and here it goes. Hey guys, so now we're going to be using one of these Kiss Lashes Couture Lash. Super excited. I already let it sit for a good minute and a half. The glue has to get tacky a little bit, so then you can use either, you know, you can use tweezers, but I like to just use my fingers, and I like to make my model look down here, and then just apply the one tacky. Shade and illuminate is a technique we use in the Tom Ford foundation makeup. So there's two sides. One is for illuminating, but we already have the drops. So this is gonna give you the same effect. So I wouldn't use it this time, but we're for sure gonna use the shade part, and we're gonna be using using number 4 shading illuminating brush, and there's going to be 1, 2, 3 parts to this. So this completes my shade and illuminate. The face is contoured from the cheekbones all the way in, from the brow all the way up, and then the rest around the jawline. And this is going to create a more defined face. Don't forget that Mr. Tom Ford always talks about how a beautiful face can be structured by a brow, how it can be structured by your cheekbones, and then this is how it should look. Okay. Now we're gonna go to blush. So now that we have both eyes done, we're gonna go ahead and finish it up with a little bit of highlighter. The highlighting pen is everything. It's like a product that I do recommend for every makeup artist to have in their kit. There's 3 shades. There's 5, 6, and 7. I use 7 on me, but on her I'm gonna use number 6. 5 being the lightest, and then we're gonna go use blush to make her look beautiful and ready for those Valentine's days. We're gonna highlight the Cupid's bow with one of the highlighters that we came up for the spring collection, which is number 1 Gilt Glow. We're gonna put it on top of the lips and put the lipstick on, which is one of the newest one, and this one is in Infatuate Vinyl number 8 lipstick. It's one of the newest ones, so you're gonna be able to see a vinyl lipstick on her. Beautiful. Can't wait. And there we go. This is the inspired look. Turn that way. Show them how beautiful this look is. The other side. And here we go.